Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today it's that time of the month where once again I get to open my lovely witch casket with you. For those of you that don't know, Witch Casket is a small business. It's mother-daughter run. It is based in the UK with an emphasis on creating quality witchcraft content sent to you in mystery boxes every month, whilst also being mindful of the planet and our impact upon it. So let's get inside this box and see what we have this month. Oh, wow. Okay, so straight away we can see that the theme for May 2024 is threshold magic, and what a beautiful shade of green greets us as we open the box. So I'm going to put the little booklet to one side. We will go back through that afterwards for any extra information we may need. Now, starting with our art card, this is a particularly lovely image. Really lovely. We've got that sort of traditional witchy cottage in the woods there. We've got a lovely crescent moon. We've got a cat, and I'm sure that the longer I looked at this, the more and more details I could see. It's really, really lovely. So the art cards come with manifestation prompts on the back, which is a really lovely addition. So we can choose to write on them if we want, or if you want to be able to use them again and again, you can just use these prompts and make a note elsewhere as to your answers. So what are your goals this month? What magical steps and what practical steps will you be taking? So really lovely. These are a great size. They're sort of a traditional postcard size. Lovely framed, lovely just to prop up on your altar and change them monthly, change them whenever you feel that you need a different kind of energy in your life. Really, really beautiful. And of course, in this picture, going along with the idea of this being threshold magic, we've got the gate and the door. So this idea of moving from one place to another. Okay, talking of doors, our ritual kit this month is a door wash ritual kit containing everything you need to prevent negativity from entering your home. So let's get inside here. Okay, so our instructions again on this lovely green colour with a nice doorway design on the back. Very nice indeed. So this is a door wash ritual kit. You will need red clover, which is in packet number 1, the hyssop, which is packet number 2, and the lavender in packet number 3, and we've also got a little empty pouch. So we are going to be heating the water, stirring with intent, and then steeping to infuse the water, and then using that water to wash down our doorways. Really lovely spell. Definitely, this is a really nice time of year to be thinking about that. As we go into holiday seasons, people will be doing more visiting. You'll have more and more people perhaps coming in and out of your house. So a nice time to be doing it. Let's look inside this bag, shall we? Ooh. Bells, perhaps? Lovely bag. It's a charm, protective threshold charm. The pentacle has long been used by witches as a symbol of protection, and the ringing of bells has traditionally been used to clear away stagnant and unwanted energy from the home. This magical protective charm was created for you to hang on or by your door, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy with them. And this time we've got a little arched window there. So, oh, very pretty. Yeah, I like that a lot. And it's not an unpleasant bell. Some bells can be really quite grating, but this is a nice one. Yeah, and it's metal, so if you wanted to hang it just outside, it would probably be about all right. I wouldn't leave it out in the dead of winter, but yeah, very nice indeed. Just gonna move my little dragon out of the way. got lots of little boxes. So what should we do? We'll do the doorway candle because I can read what that is. So pure soy wax with rose petals. Natural, calming and protective candle to welcome loving vibrations into your home. Light by your door to ensure only positive energy can cross. Negativity shall not cross my threshold, only loving vibrations may pass. This is my command, and what I say shall stand. Oh, very nice candle. You can see those petals inside there. Yep, very nice. I have to keep reminding myself it's not white chocolate. It does look a bit like it though. That's the soy wax, so it's got that kind of colour to it. Very nice indeed. I just have to find a nice plate to stand that on. Okay, let's do our scroll. This is a monthly regular, the little scrolls, and just try and undo the sticker. There we go. Okay, so here we've got threshold and boundary magic. So our home is our safe space, and it's natural to want to keep it protected and ensure no negative energy can pass your boundaries and thresholds. With that in mind, here are some simple ways to protect your space. So we've got lots of lovely ideas there. I've mentioned in previous unboxings the way that I use these scrolls. You might want to pop yours again in a frame. They take an A4 frame. You might want to keep them scrolled up and have sort of a collection of scrolls that you can go through. I like to cut mine up and sort of patchwork collage them into my book of shadows. There are so many different ways that you can use them, but it's all useful information. I've been drawn to this one, so this is the one we're doing. Witch Ball Kit. Okay, a traditional way to ward off evil spirits and negative energy and protect your home. Add the nettle and rosemary to the ball with intent to protect. You can also include any other charms, amulets, small crystals or affirmations you desire, optional. Hang the ball in your window for protection. Oh my goodness. Oh. I did a spell ball like this just before Yule. I'll pop a link to the video, but oh wow, this green glass is stunning. This is so lovely, and we've got a screw top there so that you can pop in your desired herbs and maybe scrolls, charms and trinkets. Wow, that is stunning. I'd have to keep this one safe from my son. I love coloured glass in all of its glories. My son has a particular affinity for green glass. So, and then we've got our sachets of herbs as well, which were nettle and rosemary. So yeah, so we've got those to go together. Oh, beautiful. Let's get this. Now this was our free gift this month. So this is the enchanted key ring, which was an added extra for everybody this month. That's really, really lovely. What does it say? Enchanted key ring. Keys have long been believed to offer protection, and so add your keys to this enchanted amulet to keep them safe and to shield you as you open the doors of opportunity. And again, just the lovely continuation of that theme. I love keys and key designs and things, so this is a particularly lovely one. Okay, where are we going? Let's go for this other little box. Threshold salt. Sprinkle this magical salt blend across the threshold to keep your home free of negativity. Oh, that's lovely, and it's got a little wax seal. So that looks like some rosemary in there. We have had some salt before, but not this particular blend. This is a salt blend with rosemary leaf and rosemary oil. So very, very nice indeed. And nice glass jar as well. So everything is very reusable. You'll have seen there's no plastic. The plastic wrapping that this box comes in is biodegradable. So really lovely. Onto the enamel pin. We get an enamel pin every month as well. This one is lovely. It says protected by magic. Really, really nice. I like that. I'm loving this green with gold. It is, yeah, it's ticking all my boxes. So, really lovely. Okay. Let's get this one. Again, we've got another beautiful bag. Is this crystals? Oh, no, stones. We've got stones. This is 4 corners boundary stones. So, got 4 stones here, all marked with pentacles. Inscribed with the pentacle for protection and imbued with the grounding vibrations of the earth, place a stone in each corner of the home for protection. What a lovely idea. I have done crystals in corners of rooms, but I've never thought to create specific set like this. That's really lovely. Great if you are traveling. You might want to take this and pop them in the 4 corners of your hotel room. And finally, the magical washcloth. Set your intentions and use this enchanting washcloth to cleanse your doors and window frames. Use with salt water or magical herb to infused washes. Be mindful not to use any blend that may damage the finish on your doors and or frames. Oh, how lovely is that? And that is all embroidered. That's lovely. Yeah. Very nice indeed. Oh, beautiful. So, I don't think that there's anything that we missed when we were going through all the items, but I shall just check through the booklet just to see. We've got our candle there, the salt, all these lovely things. Our art card. Okay, a quick flick through of this. So thank you so much for subscribing to our May Witch Casket. This casket is all about threshold magic, and we hope its contents helps you to protect your home and welcome only positive energies. And then again, we've got these lovely designs repeated. So yeah, many of these items are exclusive to the Witch Casket, so you won't be able to get them anywhere else. Really nice. The art print is designed by their in-house designer, Faye. So really lovely. She's described it as a representation of a witch's dream home. Very happy with everything that I have received. Very nice. And if you ever wanted to look up what anybody else is doing with their items, then you can look up the hashtag Witch Casket feature, or just hashtag Witch Casket, and you'll notice on Instagram and around other places on the interwebs, many people are sharing what they get in their caskets as well. So I hope that this has sparked some magic for you. You've got some ideas to go away perhaps and do some cleansing and protection for your own home. If you are interested in going and grabbing yourself a witch casket, I believe that orders are still open for next month, which is going to be all about potions. So I recommend getting in quick if you would like to get the potions box. I really I'm so happy with this one. Yeah, this particularly the witch ball is stunning, and yeah, I can't wait to get that filled up and hung up in my home. So as always, it's lovely if you let me know what was your favourite thing from this little unboxing. I like to see all the different opinions that people have, and of course let me know if you are now going to go and grab yourself a witch casket. I'm going to leave this here. If you like the content I make and you want to be notified next time I upload, subscribe, hit the bell icon, become a member of the Crafty Coven. It really helps the channel if you leave a comment or a like or share with a friend. And if you want to support us more directly, you can pop on over to Patreon, and for as little as $1 a month, you can become a direct member of the Crafty Coven. So until next time, stay crafty.